Hello, Robert Kiyosaki again. And again, this is my favorite part about Twitter is I get to go long form on all of my tweets. And this is a very important one. It says real estate crisis, 6 million homeowners in forbearance. Very sad. Before they can receive stimulus money, forbearance means they need to re-qualify for the loan. They don't just get the money automatically. They have to re-qualify. If they lost their job or lost their credit, they may lose their home. So in other words, if you've lost your job in this COVID crisis, which is fake, and you're losing your home, it's in forbearance, but you've lost your job, the bank's still not going to give you the money. You know, it's not like it's automatic. And then it's an opportunity to investors. It's sad news for homeowners and businesses and the country. Because if 6 million people are homeowners in America are in forbearance, that's a lot of people. So this pandemic must end, that's all I'm saying. And so they have come out with these fake vaccines and all that. And the reason I say they're fake is because there's more and more evidence coming out. Not that the vaccine isn't, not that the pandemic isn't real and all that, but the fear is more real. So going back to the real estate crisis, you know, tragically, Arizona is booming because all these communists from California are moving here. They're moving to Texas also. But what they brought with them is a communist mentality. So this last election in 2020, they passed Proposition 208. And Proposition 208 was said, oh, we're going to give the school teachers more money. What they didn't tell you, the school teachers just got a 20% raise last year. But the real reason for Prop 208 in the state of Arizona is because they can raise taxes on guys like me. That's the only reason. So I call this Robin Hood economics. Robin Hood economics is you tax the rich and you put it in your own pocket. That's what Biden's, Clinton's, and Obama do. Trump doesn't have to do that. And I've said this before, you know, New York Times accuses Trump not paying taxes. The reason he only paid $750 in income tax is the reason Trump only paid $750 in income tax is because there's 3 types of taxes: ordinary, portfolio, passive. Ordinary income is income tax. And Trump paid $750 because he doesn't have a salary. He turns in his presidential salary because he doesn't need it. I'll say it again. The reason Trump didn't pay much in taxes is because he didn't take a paycheck. But Biden, Obama, and the Clintons, they're just stuffing it in their pockets left and right. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm not saying be a Republican or Democrat. That's up to you. But if you really want to understand money, you've got to understand what goes beyond money. So going back to it, real estate in Arizona is booming. The bad news is those communists from Seattle, Portland, and California are moving here. And Arizona is going communist. And so when they say here, the real estate crisis, 6 million homeowners in forbearance, I say, oh, that's so nice. They've deferred the payments on their mortgage. No, they haven't. You still have to qualify. And if you've lost your job, you can't qualify and you're going to lose the house. So that's what the politicians don't tell you. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. But you must know the difference. And that's why having your own financial education, studying, you know, following us on Twitter or, you know, join a cash flow club or coaching programs and all this, become financially educated. Because if you're not educated, then these communists, the radical left, the, you know, Black Lives Matter, Antifa, they'll educate you. So I'm just saying get smarter with your money and you have a better chance of it. So forbearance is not good news. It's bad news if you've lost your job. Thank you.